We by KION choose CLOOS because this was the best solution for our product.
Firstly, we want to have a safe equipment for our employee. Secondly, we want to have one-piece flow in our product with utilized space as much as possible. And thirdly, we want to meet customer expectation in terms of quality, cost and delivery time.
To the feedback from our operators, I must say, so first feedback was that they were pretty scared of the complexity of the machine, but later on they were able to find out the added value which is bringing the machine. So it's avoiding the human errors, it's helping them to avoid non-ergonomical movements. So actually today they perceive it as a machine which helps them every day with their job, so they can come to work and they leave the work without being tired. They are leaving, I would say, smiling, because the machine is helping them in daily business.
In more than 20 years of partnership between CLOOS and KION, CLOOS has delivered more than 70 systems into KION's factories worldwide. With every project, we like to drive innovation forward to have the best solution for KION's products.
We expect further investments in robot welding systems. This gives us more flexibility in our plants.